In this video, I'll show you how to run C and C++ inside Visual Studio Code, step by step. We'll be downloading MSYS2, and I've added the official link down below in the video description. You can follow along easily. The installation only takes a few minutes. After the installation is complete, a command prompt will open. Type this command and hit enter. I'll also add the command in the video description below. Once the installation finishes, open the install path. Go to the bin folder and copy that path. Next, we'll add it to our environment variables. Just edit the path. Paste the bin path and hit OK. Now jump into VS Code, create a new C or C++ file, and you're ready to start coding. You can quickly compile your code with just a few key presses, and as you'll see, our C++ code runs perfectly. Let's test C as well. And yep, that works too. If you're curious about Python, check out the free Python courses in the courses section. They're awesome for beginners. And if you'd like to support the channel, consider joining or subscribing. It really helps a lot. Keep coding, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next one.